Okay, perfect. All right, so I just want to actually teach you all about how to scan something that with your smartphone, but then also being able to send it via email to someone and it looks very professional. All right, so everybody knows what a copy machine is, right? So you know when you actually take a sheet of paper, right, and you open up the copier, you put inside the copier, close it, press the copy button, it scans it and it copies, right? Okay, perfect. So this is one thing that I can definitely recommend you do. I recommend you to do is download this app. It's called Adobe Scan. All right, very, very awesome. All right, so once you download it, it's definitely on Android because this is what this is on, or go to your iOS Play Store and you're able to click on Adobe Scan, and then open it up. All right, perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up right now. So here's the great part about this. It is so cool. All right. So you just line it up, and you're gonna notice it's gonna line those four corners up, and it's gonna take a picture. Now you see it's gonna say drag your handles to adjust the borders. You will also you can also do this later using this little weird tool. All right. So I can zoom this in. I can do all this weird stuff. Here's the great part about it. It's bendable. But I'm just going to put it exactly back where it's at. Put that a little bit back down right there. And then I'm going to click on continue. Watch what's about to happen. All right. Once I click on right here, look at this. Does that not look like a copy? Awesome. Awesome, awesome, and awesome. That's pretty cool, right? You can rotate it if you did it differently. It's a scan. All right, so I think that everybody's going to need this type of tool on a lot of things that we do, that we're going to be working on inside of our course. So thank you very much for tuning in with me for this great information, and stay tuned for the next module.